Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today we have a question 16 raised to the power x minus 1 divided by x into 5 raised to the power x, which is equal to 100. So let's start its solution. We can write 16 as 2 raised to the power 4 and its whole power x minus 1 divided by x into 5 raised to the power x, which is equal to 100 can be written as 4 multiplied by 25. So from here we know that a raised to the power m whole power n is equal to a raised to the power mn. So it will become 2 raised to the power 4 x minus 1 divided by x into 5 raised to the power x, and 4 can be written as 2 square and 25 can be written as 5 square. Now it will become 2 raised to the power 4x minus 4 divided by x into 5 raised to the power x, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 multiply 5 raised to the power 2. So from here we can notice that 2 and 2 base are same and 5 and 5 are same. So we will compare its powers. So comparing both sides. So it will become 4x minus 4 divided by x, which is equal to 2. And from here x is equal to 2. Now multiplying both sides by x. So x and x will be cancelled out. So from here 4x minus 4 is equal to 2x. Now we will combine like terms. So 4x minus 2x, which is equal to positive 4, and it will become 2x is equal to 4. Now dividing 2 on both sides. So from here x is equal to 2. So the value of x is 2. Now we will check that it satisfies our given equation or not. To check, here x is equal to 2. So 16 raised to the power 2 minus 1 divided by 2 and 5 raised to the power 2, which is equal to 100. So it will become 16 raised to the power 1 divided by 2 into 5 square, which is equal to 100. We can write 16 as 4 square and power 1 by 2, and 5 squares means 25, which is equal to 100. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, so it will become 4 into 25, which is equal to 100. So from here 100 is equal to 100. So it's mean the value of x satisfy our given equation. Thank you.